Hello guys, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Today we are discussing about gastrointestinal hormones. So alimentary canal secretes only enzymes, but gastrointestinal hormones also secretes stomach and intestine. So these gastrointestinal hormones, stomach releasing hormones and intestine releasing hormones. These hormones are inhibits or stimulate the enzymes production and performance. So now we are starting gastrointestinal hormones. Gastric, stomach producing hormones and intestine producing hormone. So first gastric hormones. Gastric hormones are stomach producing hormone. First one is gastrin. First one is gastrin. It is produced by gastric mucosa. It's produced by gastric mucosa cells. It is useful for production of HCl. Another function is relaxes pyloric sphincter. So first gastrin. Gastrin produced by gastric mucosa cells. So it inhibits HCl production to form acid chyme. Okay, then its function is it relaxes of pyloric sphincter. Then next second one, ghrelin. So it is also produce gastric mucosa cells. It's also produced by gastric mucosa cells. Its function is inhibits HCl production. Inhibits HCl production and also growth hormone production. So ghrelin produced by gastric mucosa. It inhibits by HCl production and also growth hormone production. Then next to third one, somatostrine. So these somatostrine also produce gastric walls. And it inhibits gastric production. These three are gastric hormones. Gastric hormones means stomach producing hormones. Then next to intestine producing hormones. Intestinal hormones are 5 types. First one is secretin. So secretin is produced by intestinal mucosa. So these intestinal mucosa inhibits production of HCl. This intestinal mucosa produce secretin. Secretin inhibits HCl production in gastric walls and also inhibits CCK production. CCK production means cholecystokinin production. Then next to second one, CCK, cholecystokinin. It is also produced by intestinal mucosa. It inhibits gastric production. Cholecystokinin released by intestinal mucosa. Its function is production of or inhibits production of pancreatic juice. Next, GIP, gastric inhibitory peptide. Gastric inhibitory peptide. This gastric inhibitory peptide inhibits HCl production. HCl production. Insulin production in pancreas. Pancreas in beta cells. So these GIP inhibits beta cells activation. Then next to VIP. VIP means vasoactive intestinal peptide. It inhibits intestinal gastric production. Gastric production and also buffer salts. Buffer salts. So then next to last one, motilin. So it is also produced by intestinal mucosa. It stimulates pepsin. So this is a gastrointestinal hormone. Total gastric hormones are 3 types and intestinal hormones are 5 types. Total gastrointestinal hormones are 8 types.